Welcome to this tutorial on how to link products on Shopify. Linking products is a great way to increase average order value and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of linking products on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Here, you will see a list of all your products. To link a product, click on the product you want to link and then click on the Edit Product button. Next, scroll down to the product description section and click on the Link button. You can then enter the URL of the product you want to link or search for the product in your store. Once you have selected the product, click on the Link button to add it to your product description. Another way to link products is by using the Related Products feature. To do this, navigate to the Products section and click on the product you want to link. Then, click on the Related Products tab and search for the products you want to link. You can add up to 10 related products to each product. It is also important to note that you can link products in different collections. To do this, navigate to the Collections section and click on the collection you want to link. Then, click on the Add Products button and select the products you want to link. Best practices for linking products include making sure the linked products are relevant to the original product, using high-quality product images, and ensuring the linked products are in stock. It is also a good idea to test the links to make sure they are working correctly. In conclusion, linking products on Shopify is a simple and effective way to increase sales and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can start linking products on your Shopify store today.